Okay, next is the example 9 part C, and example 9 part C has two roots, alpha square, beta square. We have to find the sum of the roots as well as the product of the roots. As we know that the sum of the roots of the parent equation is 3 and the product of the parent equation is minus 2, so it will equals that alpha square plus beta square, that is equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, as we have studied in previous example. Okay, you can write it as alpha plus beta whole square is equals to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So if we are finding the value of this one, so alpha square plus beta square is equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So this is the formula by which we deduct. So what is the value of alpha plus beta? We use that formula. Why we use this formula? Because we have the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, so we convert all our terms, every term, in the form of alpha plus beta or alpha beta, right? So that's why we use different formulas. If we have the cube formula, a alpha cube and beta cube, then we can also use the cubic formula to find the all terms in alpha plus beta and alpha beta, right? So we have the value of alpha plus beta, that is 3 square minus 2 times minus 2, it will becomes 9 plus 4, that is 13. And also alpha square beta square will be equals to alpha beta whole square, that is minus 2 square, that is 4. So your equation will be x square minus sx plus p, as we know that s is the sum of the roots and p is the product of the roots. So it will be equals to x square minus 13x plus 4 is equals to 0. So this is your equation by using the roots alpha square and beta square, right? Next is the exercise 5. We have the equation, this one, for the roots alpha beta. Find an equation whose roots are 2 alpha plus beta and 2 alpha plus 1 and 2 beta plus 1. That's so simple. We find the sum of these roots, we find the product of these roots, and convert it in the form of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So your answer will be some values. So we use the equation x square plus sx minus sx plus p, so your answer will be given. And also this one, in this case you have the answer in the cube, so we use the cubic formulas, right? If you have any problem, you can ask me every time. I'll solve this question of every question for this exercise, for previous exercise, as you have seen, if you have any problem in these questions. Okay, the next one is question number 3. The 3 is also same like that. We have the roots of this equation, we find the we have the roots and find the equation for these roots. Also question number 2, same like the previous, but the method is same but the calculations are different. Okay, and also in the next we have the practice exam, uh, and chapter 2 we have to do some questions from the practice exam. So that is question number 2, question number 4, question number 6, question number 8 and question number 10. That's so easy questions, right? And next is the summary of the question number 2. Summary is that we have used this formula, that is x square minus y square is equals to x minus 5, and x plus y is known as difference of two squares formula, right? And also quadratic equation can be solved by factorization method, by completing square method, and by quadratic formula. And also the discriminant of quadratic expression is used to find the nature of the roots without solving the equation and without finding the roots, right? And also this is the formula b square minus 4ac, and if alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, we can find the equation for different roots, and also alpha plus beta is equals to minus b over a, and alpha beta is equals to c over a. These are the some important points that are including in your summary of this chapter 2, and now your chapter 2 is completed. That's enough for today. In the next one we start the chapter 3. Okay.